Hi students, in this video lesson I am going to teach you about important chapter atomic structure, mainly Planck's quantum theory. In Planck's quantum theory, Max Planck was proposed this theory. He studied the black body of radiations. Here, when iron rod is heated to give red color, iron rod changes to red color. In red color having a wavelength is maximum, that is lambda maximum. And again iron rod is thoroughly heated, will temperature will increases and heating to give red color changes to orange color. Orange color next and temperature will increases and thoroughly heating. Orange color changes to blue color. In blue color, red to blue color. Red having a wavelength lambda max and blue color having a minimum wavelength, that is lambda minimum. This is explain the black body of radiations. Here in black body of radiation, it passes through when a beam of white light passes through a body, it reflects. The body gets absorbed, lights are absorbed or reflected and transmitted. Here absorbed means the light rays are absorbed, body radiations, body absorbing, and some rays are transmitted, that means back to, and reflected. Here when black body of radiation is reflected, that is opposite to the body. So when reflected rays are forming colors, that is VIBGYOR is formed. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These colors are formed when beam of white light passes through a body. Some rays are absorbed, some rays are reflected, and some rays are back, that means transmitted. The reflected rays to form colors. So each color having a different wavelengths are there, that is colors like VIBGYOR, indigo, blue, green, violet, yellow, orange and red. These 7 colors are formed when the body gets the rays are reflected, that is the black body of radiation. Here this is the atomic nucleus. Here Z is a electron and first orbit, second orbit, third orbit. Here when electron jumps to higher energy levels, but it does not stay in higher energy level, it will lose energy to come lower energy levels. So the energy will releases in waves, that is delta E is equal to hf, that means frequency. What they are? In atomic nucleus, when electron jumps in higher energy level, that energy may be absorbed, but when electron jumps to lower energy level, the energy will releases in the form of waves, that is denoted by delta E equal to h mu. This is h mu. In Planck's quantum theory, when black body is heated, it emits thermal radiations. Already we seen red color changes to orange color and orange color changes to blue color. Different wavelengths of frequency. To explain these radiations, Max Planck put forward this theory is known as Planck's quantum theory. The main points of quantum theory are as follows. The substance when radiate absorb energy in the form of discontinuously in the form of small packets, that is called light made up of packets of energy is called as quantum. Here energy equal to h mu. Quantum means frequency of radiations. Energy equal to quantum means energy is equal to frequency of radiations, that is E equal to h mu. Here h is called Planck's constants and h values are constant, that is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 27 per second, and another value of Planck's constant h is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule per second. Here energy high, each particle having particle nature and wave nature. So these having radiations, this is the particle nature and these are in the wave nature. Here every particle having a h mu, that is called quanta, and equal to the relation between E and mu is E equal to and h mu. That means E always directly proportional to mu, and the relation between E C lambda is E equal to NH C by lambda. That is 1 by lambda denotes mu wave number, that equal to E directly proportional to 1 by mu, and the relation between E, C and mu bar wave number, that is E equal to NHC mu bar. This equal to E directly proportional to mu bar. These are constants. So the relation between E and mu is E directly proportional to mu, and the relation between E, C, lambda, that is E inversely proportional to 1 by mu. Mu is denoted by C by lambda, and N and H are constants. So C by lambda means 1 by mu, and the relation between E, C, mu bar is equal to NH C by mu bar equal to E is directly proportional to mu bar. These are used to solve some problems based to Planck's quantum theory. This is the Planck's quantum theory. What is Planck's quantum theory? The energy, the substance radiate energy or absorb energy in the form of discontinuously to form small packets, and that means light is made of packets of energy is called as quanta, that is E equal to h mu. H is the Planck's constant. It's having constant values are there. This is the relations between them. Thank you, students.